Hey guys, Dog Vlogs here. Today I'm doing the dog toy challenge. Basically, what the dog toy challenge is basically football, but it's with a dog toy, and it'll probably be much harder since dog toys are hard to kick since you can't quite get there. If you've never heard of a football before, probably all adverts here is football. You've probably heard of a football, but if you haven't, this is a love football. Of course, you can get this much higher, as I show you. I'm just going to chip this. Ready? Well, my chips are rubbish. No, I can do better ones. And this is a dog toy chip. That went higher, but it can't go further. So that's why it'll probably be a bit harder. So let's do this. Wow! So my first angle. Do I put it on? I put it on the path. Do I put it? Right. I'm gonna try get this past that thing over there. There's a little black thing around. That's an absolute rubbish angle because we're not rolling with it. I know. You see. See. See that black thing over there? Like there, below my finger. That's what I'm trying to get. Like a determined teddy toy. Oh, it's not a real teddy. Ah! I'm going for the kick. I'm out here on my own, guys. I probably should. Right, ready, guys? Yes! Boom! Boom! Bam! 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 Right. Next challenge. Land it on the table. The table that you guys are on. Land it on that. I'll go chip it up. Hopefully, it will happen. Boom, easy. Alright, next one is chip it into the basketball net. Into the basketball net. Basketball. Over there. Here's my basketball net. Oh, this is going to be incredibly hard. I think Ronaldo would do this shit. I can get it that high, but I need to flick it over there. Oh my god. By the way, guys. Guys, I ordered this t-shirt. I think I've already told you about. My dog is a Shih Tzu, but yeah, I ordered a pug since I can't get them ones. So yeah, I just ordered a pug. If you're a bit confused, I really want one day. I want to have my own merch. Picture of me dog and me. Whoa! It keeps going backwards. Whoa! It's like I could get a replay on that, but I don't know how. That would have been absolutely legit. Why am I saying? Oh my god! It keeps going backwards. Right, next thing. New toy. The old one was this little teddy bear. Oh, that stinks. Oh, he's got two of them. Don't care to leave one outside. Oh, new thing. Hit it and then try, like, kick it and then try to hit it in. New thing, guys. No. This is really hard. Okay, that was even worse, to be very honest with you. Worse than all of them put together. Guys, I want to flip off the wall like Rocco Piazza. Of course, I'm dog, but Rocco Piazza books. Guys, this is absolutely impossible. Go Rockstar. Honestly, guys, this is impossible. I'm not even joking, though. Oh. In my last vlogs, zoom in on that doggo thing. It was cool. There was a worm over there. No idea where it's gone now. Should we have a quick look? Guys, let's have a quick look. Has it moved? Of course, it was there earlier. No, I thought I spotted it then, but it's moved. Can't see it. Second checks. Next try. No! I completely missed that! Ah! It's seriously not cold out here. Why do everyone says it's cold? It's seriously not. Oh my god, it won't even stand my foot. Ah! No! I couldn't even get to that. Thumbs up. Rip mollies everywhere. Darkness, my old friend. I think that's what it's called. Darkness, my old friend. That's what I've definitely got. Wait, open this door. Ah! I like to swing and dance. Spider Molly, Spider Molly. Why am I always have Spider Molly? What's a Spider Molly? Oh. My lace is undone, but I don't care. Because I'm really stupid, I'm going to take my shoes off. Guys, look. Because I'm that stupid, I'm going to take my shoes off. I'm stupid. Oh no! Honestly, guys. Jump, I haven't got my shoes on. These are my shoes, and they're not on my feet. Should be. Should we try my big brother's boots? Can I just try this with a real football, please? I probably should put my shoes back on. But I'm really stupid, so I'm not. Oh my god. Right! Next challenge, pass the tree. As I get this first try, tree's over there. As I get this first try, I'm going to get amazed. Oh! I probably should put my shoes on, but I don't want to. Maybe I should. Alright guys, I've got my shoes on. Big clumpers. The big Hirachi clumpers. Big clumpers. Mister. Oh, what was that, Molly? Honestly, when I get angry, I get angry. She's called me an orphan today, Mimi. Even though I'm not an orphan. Orphan. We started calling each other like that. Gosh. We all call each other orphans. And she said to me, oh, why have you got this English ring then? Why is your last name Goodacre? I was born last year. I'm only 7. You're 15. I was born like 7 or 8 years before you. From it. I completely missed that. Right, guys, we're going to do it from here. I was going to get that stuff. No! Nearly went past. Guys, look. Watch out, dog poo. Guys, I don't vlog when I'm at my granddad's, since he don't have a dog and I don't take dog with me. No! Molly is the one, no one, no one, no one. No, she's not. Guys, my lesson's done. I have got my big karate clumpers on, I call them. Clumpers, get your clumpers on. Get your clumpers on. Guys, once again, I'm looking in this box. Oh, what is that? Oh my god. Retake. Boom. I've got water again, guys. Spray it. Oh my gosh. Water gun intact. You're mad, black. Guys. Oh no. Oh my god, my camera's gonna break one of these days. Oh guys, let me keep this clean since. Oh no! Are you kidding me? Right guys, ready? Wall shot. Right, let me just do the wall shot in a minute. Not like I'm not doing it now. Ready? Guys, I'm going to film this way. Welcome to the wall shot. Oh my god, that was rubbish. Look, I'm doing water of air. Who plays with water gun in this weather? Who does that? Idiots do it. And I'm an idiot. Oh my god. Guys. Who wears one punching glove? Idiots do, but I'm not wearing a punching glove. I'm not wearing a punching glove, I don't even have one. Jokes. Can't get punched. Right guys, this is my little logo thing. Yeah. Oh! First time! Throw it! Oh! Literally, it came from where it came from. Honestly, I got it down there. Literally in the exact spot. You actually have not. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video here. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time on the next dog day.